Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate international market on Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now after you log, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left here, and then you want to click on markets. Now after, guys, you click on markets, what you guys need to do here, you want to click on international, and then you want to click here where it says inactive, as you can see in the top right here. Inactive, you want to click on it, and then you want to click active, and then you make sure you click on save. Now if you are not allowed to click on active, then if you are not allowed to activate international shipping, then you have to set like shipping rates, okay, for international markets. I'm going to be showing how you can do that because I already enabled international market on the Shopify store. I'm going to switch to a new Shopify store, and I will show you guys how you can activate international market in case you can't activate it. Okay, I'm going to go again to settings. I'm going to go again to markets. As you can see, this is international. Now when I try to click on it, it seems like it's working, as you can see. But what you guys need to do is, after you activate it, you want to click here. If you are not allowed to activate it, you want to click on shipping and delivery, and you want to click here on general, and here you will find all your products. Here you want to scroll down, okay, and if you can see here international, as you can see, and these are countries that are in the international market. Now what you guys need to do is you want to add the rate. You want to click on add rate, and custom rate, so like custom rate name standard. Here the shipping, you can't just set it to 000 or whatever you want, and then you want to click on save. Okay, you can also create a new zone if you want. Okay, so that's exactly how you, and then go back to markets, click on international. Now check if you can activate it or not. Okay, if you cannot activate it, then what you guys need to do in this case, you want to click on edit action, and then here where it's international, you want to click on edit next to countries and regions, and you can add as many countries here that you would like to ship to. Okay, and then after you select all the countries you would like to ship to, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to select here Africa, I'm going to select Asia. Okay, I'm going to select all the countries in international markets. I'm going to go with Europe, and I'm going to, you can unselect any country you don't like to ship to. Now after that you want to click on save. Okay, after you select all the countries, click on save. I don't know why this is taking so long. Give it just a few seconds. All right, now what you guys need to do, as you can see, customers in 173 countries won't be able to check out because they are missing shipping rates. So what you guys need to do in this case is you want to click here where it says go to shipping, or you just need to go to shipping and delivery here. Okay, settings and shipping and delivery, click on general, and you want to go down. Okay, so then what you need to do, you want to just click on add. I'm going to click here. It's yeah, here. Okay, and you can also, for example, here where it says yeah, here international, click on edit zone. You want to select again all the countries here. Okay, select them again here. Click on done. Click on save. I'm actually going to select all the countries. Click again on three little dots, click on edit zone, and select all countries. All countries that you would like to ship to. Okay, Asia. Then after that you want to click on done, click on save, and then you want to add the rate. Okay, click on add the rate. Here I'm going to good standard 00. Always make sure to save your changes. Now I'm going to go back to markets, click on international. Now see if you can activate it. Okay, here it's going to be inactive. Click on active, and then click on the save button, okay, to save your changes. Okay, that's exactly how you can activate international market. You can also go to shipping and delivery. If it's not activated yet, click on new profile, set this international. Okay, again, like I said, just click on shipping and delivery. Here the profile name, as you can see, shipping and delivery. Here you can click on create profile international, and you want to add the products here. Select all the products, and you want to then click on here. It says shipping, add shipping zone. You want to select the countries here. You want to name the zone international, for example, international. And then after you select all the countries, you want to click on done. You want to add the rate to these countries. I'm going to add standard here, 000. And then you want to click on save. As you can see, profile international created. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can enable international shipping. Okay, hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like, and yeah, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.